If you want to call and set up the voicemail on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can go to the phone app, and then over here we can switch to the keypad, and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And then you should be able to follow the instructions in order to, well, usually you just have to wait for the messages to listen to them if someone left you. But in case you cannot reach the voicemail after pressing and holding your finger, then we can go to the home page, tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner, and go to settings. And then in settings, proceed to the voicemail, select your SIM if necessary, go to advanced settings, and then over here we have the voicemail number, which we need to change in case it is in case it is incorrect, or we need to add it in case it is empty. So you can try to Google that information by typing the name of your carrier or service provider and then just add voicemail number or something like that. And once it is fixed over here, then you should be able to use the speed dial. You can press and hold number 1 to call the voicemail. And of course, you should, like I said, follow the instructions in order to set it up and also listen to messages. Subscribe to my channel.